Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is just a collaboration with Temu, where they sent me some items that I can show you all, and I will have a code in my description box down below as well as the link. So Temu is a global shopping site that offers a variety of trendy and top quality products, from chic outfits to one-of-a-kind lifestyle pieces, like fashionable accessories, clothing, beauty, cosmetics, craft materials, and to explore. So I have my unboxing right here, and just got it in the mail, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. There we go. Got all the tape off, kind of. It does not take very long for this to come in. It takes literally like a week and a half. Temu is really great as far as like the products that I've seen. So like you can find anything on their website, you know, such as home and health, beauty, and anything for your pets, fashion, watches, jewelry, everything, you name it. So when opening up the first part of my order, we'll start with this part right here. So here is the first part that I'm going to show you guys of what's in here. So this is a leopard set. It is for like curling your hair, so that you don't have to use like an iron or anything. It literally shows you how it's going to work, what you need to do, and it comes with a scrunchie and a clip. So I'll show you guys what that's supposed to look like right here. Next, I end up getting the banana slicer. So you put your banana through and slice it, and it's really cool. I'll take it out and show you guys, and then I'll show you guys how it actually works. So here it is. You have your banana slicer. You put your banana through here and it'll slice it for you. So this will be great for things such as like making acai bowls and more. Alright, so I got some air fryer liners. These air fryer liners go at the bottom of your air fryer. You can use these so that you don't have to worry about too much cleanup. And so can't wait to use these, especially because my air fryer is square. Next, I also chose to get some positive stickers. In this pack here, I'm going to show a couple, like Breathe, Teach, Love, Inspire, Just Peachy, and some other ones that I'll just show here. Alright, also down in my bag, I picked up some of these handmade with love stickers. These are great for anyone who has a small business. This is one great feature that they have, especially like I said, if you have a small business. This can go on every bag. It also can go on whatever you're shipping. I also have an egg divider where it'll divide the egg and the yolk. It's just something simple just like this, and I can show you guys that because a lot of recipes, or some recipes, call for you to divide it. And then last, all the way down in the bag, is this. So here are a couple different things. I have this first set of earrings that I chose. I love earrings. So I chose this set right here where we have pink, orange, brown, and yellow, like a neon. So this is like kind of like neon colors, so really cute colors. I also chose this set right here of the pink hearts. Sometimes I do wear pink, and I really wanted to just like have some extra fashion along with my outfits when the spring comes, so I did choose those. I also chose to get these cute little leopard earrings right here. Yeah, if anyone knows me, you guys know that I love leopard, cheetah, that type of print. So I did choose to get these. Also, I wanted to get, like I said, some more earrings for the spring to match some of the outfits, and then eventually use these in the summer while on break and going on vacation, stuff like that. So I chose these cute little leaf earrings right here in blue. I also chose this 3-pack of earrings right here. One, because it gave definitely a variety. So with this pair of earrings, this came in a 3-set that you guys can see right here. So you have the heart, where it has that on one side and just that on the other, and then you have just the hearts by itself and some plaid and cheetah hearts, which is adorable because I love the plaid and I love cheetah as well. Also, another set of earrings that I chose was this pair right here. I thought, like, okay, I don't have any earrings with like feathers at the bottom. I just thought that they would be really cute to wear, especially for like vacation, and like with summer coming up, just a cute thing to wear. Last but not least, in that bag, I did pick out these earrings right here. These ones are like the cheetah print as well, leopard print, and I thought that these would just be a great asset to add to my earring collection. So that was it for that order. And then the rest came in this bag. I ordered myself some binder clips. These are all just one size. You guys can see that it comes in teal, yellow, pink, and blue. This is I'm not sure how many are in here. Actually, it's 40 pieces. And this is just something that can easily go into my little station over on my desk. I also picked up a scoop. This little plastic scoop is going to help to scoop the dog's food so that I don't have to like stick my hand in, and it will make it so much easier. So this is just a 1 cup or a half a cup scoop, so that's great because I can measure out the food that they are getting. I also got a ice cream scoop. These came in a random color. So I have a gray one where I can use this for ice cream. The kids can use this one especially, and they can just put it in the sink. As a teacher, I'm always writing something down, or when I'm writing stuff down for YouTube, I thought that I could use this notepad here that comes in 4 different colors: yellow, pink, green, and blue, and it has enough space on here for me just to write down things like if I want to organize my videos and say write down the links that I'm going to need for those videos and what to put in my description box. I can do just that. Also, I got this 3-in-1 brush for like edges or just trying to lay baby hairs down. So it has the 1, 2, and the 3rd. So this one is like a comb, as well as like this one, and this is the brush part. And I also got this little container here. It locks on the sides, And this is something that easily like dog treats could be put into, or like all of my earrings could fit in here, and it just locks like that. I also got some little small post-it notes where I could put these in like my math book if I'm like trying to come back to something, or I could also stick it in a notebook or composition notebook if I needed to remember where I wrote something at. And last but not least, I did get some more things right here. So it looks like I have 2 packs of earrings. And so this right here is a USC card reader where you can put this into like a computer or something. You have your USB right here. You have the part where you can put your cards, whether it's the smaller one or whether it is the actual SD card itself. I have this pack of earrings. This is like with the rainbow hearts. As you guys can see, this is just something that is made of wood, and it's just really crafty and cute. Last but not least in this order was some more earrings. These ones are grass green, royal blue, and beige, and like a pink. So just some, you know, different type of colors other than just like the basics. So thank you so much to Temu for sponsoring this video. I definitely love all of the items that I got from this order, and I definitely would love to purchase more from their site. And you guys will check out my code that will be in the description box down below. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and may also be sure to consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.